Welcome back, everyone. So, I found this little box last time I've been detecting in a park in Scranton, Pennsylvania, and I don't know what this could be. Uh, it could be maybe it was a compact makeup or um, something like that. Like I was thinking maybe it could have been a cigarette box or something like that, but the size it just doesn't adds up to be a cigarette box. But whatever this was, we are gonna try to open it up because there is one more little door on it. So I have some tools here. Also have a brush so we can brush it off a little bit to see if we're gonna have some markings on it or writings or anything like that. The other side is pretty corroded. It was pretty deep too. It was like 8 or 9 inches. So maybe it was a makeup bag. I mean a makeup box. But who knows? Back then they repurposed even those boxes when it became empty. Sometimes they put stuff in it. So who knows? Let's see if we can find something interesting in it. If we can open it up. I try to use these plastics here because plastic sticks because I don't really wanna damage it, but damage it more. It's already damaged. Let's see if we can open it up. I think on this side we should be able to open it up. Think so. Looks like it should be cool to open it up. Yeah. So I don't know if you're gonna have anything in it, but if you are not new to my channel, then you know that I'm not one of those fake metal detectorists or fake treasure hunters who um, post fake videos about fake hidden treasures, what they find. Um, I don't know what we're gonna have in it. Let's find it together. I would be happy with even a picture or some old anything, maybe an old coin or who knows. All right, let's see. And no mirror in it. This is how it looks so far. As you can see, yeah, I think it was an old makeup box, a compact. Maybe some eyeshadows or something like that. Eyeliners, who knows? I don't really know how you call those things in English. But it is a pretty cool find. Yeah, there are some. Let me scratch this off with this little stick. I don't know what this could be though. Like when you shut this down, there is no space between them. So if there is no another layer, like another box, I mean another space under it, but no, I don't think so. Actually, yeah, there is nothing under it. Like maybe I don't know if This should open up like this, or I just damaged it, but who knows. Anyways, if you want to see more interesting, cool finds, then surprise me with a like and subscribe to my channel. And we're gonna take a closer look in the next video to my newest finds. I have found some pretty old coins and pendants and jewelry, stuff like that. Stay tuned. Next video gonna come soon. Have a great day.